Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What is this? Horse. 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 What is this? Hat. 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 What is this? House. 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 Horse. What is the initial sound horse? Of horse? What is the initial sound of hat? Hat. What is the initial sound of house? House. Let's learn how to write the h sound. Go down, up, curve, down, curve.
Look at this picture. We have to match the sound with the picture.
Horse. Horse. Yes, it is. Match the horse with h sound. Aeroplane. Aeroplane? No, it is not. House. Yes, it is. Match the house with h sound.
Sandwich. Sandwich? No.
Hat. Yes, it is. Match the hat with h sound.
See you later. Allah Hafiz.